Hello everybody, we got a 2021 Kia Forte that we're programming an extra fob, which is this guy here. This is the original fob. We have our machine plugged into the OBD of the vehicle down there. We're going to go to remote control learning, smart key learning. Hazard lights are on. And what we're going to do, once we're programming the key to the vehicle, in order for him to program, we're simply going to hold the remote up against the push to start button for it to work. The passcode that we acquired. There we go. And press OK, and within 5 seconds you got to hold the remote just like that. It'll tell you program succeeded. Do you want to do the next one? You tell them yes, and again hold it right there. Program is succeeded. Current keys is 2. That's the maximum you can have. Test the buttons. The buttons work, and that's it. We are good to go. Thanks for watching, guys. Kia Forte 2021.